Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to crochet this placemat pattern. I've included a list of materials needed as well as a link to the written pattern in the description below. Alright, so we're going to begin with our starting loop and go ahead and get that onto your hook, and we are going to make a chain of 45. So yarn over, pull through your loop, yarn over, pull through your loop, and you're just going to go ahead and keep on working your chain until you get to a total of 45, and then come back and I'll show you what we'll do next. All right, so now we're going to work in the second chain from the hook, a half double crochet. So yarn over your hook, push it through that chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. You've got 3 loops on your hook now. Yarn over and pull right through all 3. So we're going to go ahead and work a half double crochet in the next chain, and we're going to work 1 half double crochet stitch into every single chain all the way down the row. When you get to the end of your row, come back and I'll show you what we're going to do next. All right, so now we're at the end of the row. We're going to chain 1 and turn our work. We're going to begin our 2-row repeat right now. So we're going to work a half double crochet into the first stitch, and we're going to work a slip stitch into the next one. So yarn over, pull your loop, pull up a loop and pull it right through the other loop that's already on your hook. All right, so, and then in the following, half double crochet. In the next, slip stitch. And you're just going to continue alternating all the way down your row. Okay, and bearing in mind, this is row 1 of our 2-row repeats. So go ahead and finish this row and come back. All right, so chain 1 and turn your work for the second row of our 2-row repeat. We're going to go ahead and work 1 half double crochet into every single stitch all the way down our row. So just 1 half double crochet in each stitch all the way down. Very simple 2-row repeat, beginner friendly pattern here. Go ahead and work your half double crochet in every single stitch. When you get to the end, you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and then you're going to repeat that row 1 of our 2-row repeat. So the half double crochet in the first stitch, slip stitch in the next, half double crochet, and then chain 1, turn your work, and work a row of just half double crochet stitches. You're going to continue on repeating these 2-row repeats for a total of 54 rows. So after this row that you're doing right now, it'll be 26 more times of the 2-row repeat. So you'll want to have a total of 54 rows of work and then come back. Okay, so now that you finished all those rows, we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. And now, just to give it a clean edge on the end here, we're just going to work a slip stitch into every single stitch all the way down our row. So that's it, just 1 slip stitch in every single stitch all the way down. And that's really it. You'll use your tapestry needle to go ahead and weave your tail ends in and out of the stitches to hide and secure. And you are done. I hope that you have enjoyed this pattern. Again, I have included some helpful links in the description below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.